welcome to my channel, and today we'll do Jetson Ball Pro 101. I'll show you how to use a bell on Jetson Ball Pro. I know many people use different ways, but I'll show you the right way to use. So please hit subscribe and like this video, and let me show you how. Alright, let me show you how to use the bell on Jetson Ball Pro. So the bell have to be located on the left side of handlebar. Depend on the position of handlebar, but still you have to turn this bell. If it's like this, you have to turn all the way to the front. So this way, when you're holding your brake, only one finger will use this. Try it and you're gonna like it, because if you have it like this, then you don't get a grip correctly. Okay, that's why it's a correct way to use the bell. It's gonna be like this. So you holding the handlebar well, the grip, and use only one finger to bell it. That's how you use a bell on Jetson Ball Pro or Jetson Bolt. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. See you later.